Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick share of a couple items that I received from AliExpress. These were part of the order that I received while I was out of town. I had actually just forgot that there was 2 more stamps. So the first one is this set of tea. Actually, let me pull it out of here. It's so reflective. I need better lighting. Alright, so it's little teacups, like hot cocoa mug. It's so cute. Coffee cup here. Coffee beans at the bottom says your tea-rific. Thanks a latte. We're the perfect blend. How have you been? Super, super cute. And then the other stamp set I got was this one from KS Crafts. These adorable little girls. As you can see here, I've had a lot of fun with this stamp set already. So the little girls, snow much fun, baby it's cold outside, this one, warm hugs, winter wishes, autumn greetings down here. And then the things that I've been making with those stamps over the last couple of days are I stamped out a bunch of the images here. And then I've been working on slowly coloring them all in with my alcohol markers and my colored pencils. And right now I am doing a memory decks card swap. So the first things I made were these adorable memory decks cards. Look at these guys. And it's so shimmery. I kind of went a little overboard on the shimmer spray, but I mean, really, can you have too much glitter? So there's one of the little girls that I colored, and then I put her on top of a heart that I cut out using my heart nesting dies that I picked up from AliExpress. And then that heart, this background paper, the ephemera, and these 2 little hearts all come from the Main Squeeze collection. So this is the Main Squeeze paper pad, Main Squeeze ephemera. And then the other one I didn't use any of the little girls, but it did use all of the Main Squeeze collection. And then the paper that I did on the background is actually just a white piece of paper that I then used this stencil for. I got this stencil off of AliExpress like forever and ever ago. And I used my Distress Oxide inks in Festive Berries. And then my custom blend pad, which is the Abandoned Coral and Wild Honey mix. And I just rubbed that over. Did it in 2 layers to like fill up the entire background, and that's how I got this card here. And then you can actually see it a little better here with what I cut it out on, so just layered up. And then my other items I made were a couple of cards. Look at this. Oops, sorry about that. Look at this. Isn't this so cute? Look at my little girl. She's walking in the wind. This is Happy Valentine's Day. I did that in silver embossing powder. And then these stamps actually come from the Main Squeeze stamp set, which is right here. And or actually no, these hearts come from the Main Squeeze stamp set. And then these bunches of hearts come from the little girls stamp set right here. So I did that. She's popped up on some dots, and then everything else is just single layer. And then my last card is this one. Look how adorable. So same thing here, white piece of paper. The white paper is popped up. I did the same stencil on this one, but just in the Festive Berry, so 1 layer of that. This heart I took out of a DCWV embossed foil paper pad. and cut that out using the AliExpress heart nesting dies. Let me grab those. So that's these right here. And then I just took one of my little girls, fussy cut her out, popped her up on some dots on the center of here, and then took the I Heart You from the main squeeze and heat embossed that in black and popped that on there. So yeah, these are the items that I made with these stamps that I picked up from AliExpress. So that's everything, guys. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, and until next time, bye-bye.